In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on subtitles on Udemy. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Subtitles make courses easier to follow, whether you're in a noisy environment, learning a new language, or revisiting a concept. I'll walk you through the simple steps inside the course player and explain a few handy options so you can customize the captions to suit your needs. Start by locating the CC icon in the course player. It's usually tucked in the bottom right corner of the video controls. If you don't see it right away, move your mouse or tap the screen to reveal the controls. When the player is full screen, the controls look the same, so the CC icon should still be in that lower right area. On some mobile layouts, the icon may sit slightly differently, but it will still be among the playback controls. Next, hover over or click the CC icon to reveal the list of available caption languages. Udemy provides several language options depending on the course. Move your cursor over the language you want and click to select it. The subtitles will appear immediately. If you select a language and nothing changes, try toggling the captions off and on again or refreshing the page. Sometimes the player needs a quick reset. If you want to adjust how subtitles look, use the caption settings icon. This often looks like a small gear or a text icon near the CC control. Open the settings to change font size, adjust background opacity for better contrast, or choose to display the subtitles underneath the video instead of overlaid. Increasing font size can help when viewing on larger screens, while reducing opacity of the background or adding a solid background can make text easier to read against busy visuals. There is also a quick translation option inside the caption settings that allows you to add a second layer of subtitles in another language. This is useful if you want the original captions plus a translated set below them. Keep in mind that quick translations are automated and may not be perfect, so use them as a guide rather than a verbatim transcript. You can toggle either layer on or off depending on what helps you learn best. To summarize, locate the CC icon, choose your language, customize appearance through caption settings, and use quick translation if you want a second subtitle layer. These controls make the learning experience more accessible and flexible. Thanks for listening, and if this helped, please subscribe and like the video.